everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be looking at is a product from our ZT series. Now our ZT series is a 24 volt integration product, which essentially is for commercial vehicles, trucks, etc. What we have here is the ZT6004, which is the 4-channel amplifier in the 24 volt range. Now what this amplifier has is a 100 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms, has 175 watts per channel at 2 ohms, and then when you bridge the channels at 4 ohms, you have a 350 watts times 2. So great for if you're wanting to run a set of speakers and a sub inside your truck, or if you want to run a 4-channel system in your truck. So what's the difference between the 12 volt and 24 volt? Essentially the 24 volt has been designed specifically to fit into commercial vehicles such as Arctic lorries, trucks, anything that is ran commercially on the road, and you want to upgrade the system, you need a 24 volt amplifier, and that's what we've got right here. So let's have a look in the box and see what we get. So of course we have our manual, and we have 2 models of ZT amplifier. So we have a 4-channel, and we also have a mono amplifier. So we have a 1500 watt mono, and we have the 600 watt RMS 4-channel amplifier. So the manual gives you all your specifications, and it gives all your technical information about the product, as well as all your warranty information. So let's have a look what we get inside. So much like the ZR series amplifiers, these are a very, very small footprint, and we'll just take that out and have a look. So the ultra small compact footprint means that this can be fitted very easily in any vehicle, especially when we're talking about a commercial vehicle, because they do have lots of space, but you can see from the footprint this is very, very small for its power. So let's see what we've got on the amplifier itself. So let's take a look at this end here. So what we have here are die-cast terminals. Now die-cast terminals are much better than barrier strip because they're a solid connection. They're made of essentially heat-proof material. These have 4-gauge inputs for the power and the earth, and then the remotes in the center. We also then have all your speaker connections here. We then have 2 20 amp fuses on board to protect the amplifier from any shorting or anything like that. So let's just take a look at the other end. So the other end is where all the settings are. So we have essentially your 1, 2, 3, 4 or front and rear channels. We also have the low level inputs, which is your RCAs, and then we also have low level outputs, which means you can send the signal from this amplifier to, say, the mono amplifier to run a full system. What we have on the settings, we have a switch which is from low pass, high pass and full range. So if you wanted to, for example, run mids and tweeters separate on a system, you can do that. What we then also have is our frequency dial, which allows you to adjust where you're crossing over your frequencies on your low pass and your high pass filters. And then you have your gain adjustment, which is essentially matching the signal level of your input device, so from your head unit to the amplifier, to give you the best performance. Now with these, much like with the ZR series, what we actually have is a very, very wide band on the low level input from 0.2 to 10 volts, and it has a very high signal to noise ratio of 96 decibels, which means it's got very clean sound and it's very, very efficient. So that there is the ZT series 6004 600 watt RMS 4-channel amplifier from Phoenix Gold.